Sony LED TV model number KDL-48W600B. Fault in this TV is mapping with mirror image. In this video I will show how to solve this fault. This is a common problem in this Sony TV model. Hi everyone, I am Vinod Kenny. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Magic Care Electronics. Let's dig in. In this fault there are two problems. One is mapping and the other one is mirror image in one faulty line. This is the fault of NAND IC data fragmented. Now what I will do is that I will remove the IC and read its data with RT809H programmer and write the same data into this NAND IC. After reading this IC, I will check for bad blocks if any, and if there are bad blocks then my setting would be skip bad block and data realign. If you want to see how I programmed this IC, then press I button given on the top right corner. Now I am fixing this NAND IC which I had already programmed. Now I will fix the board in the TV. I am confident that this TV will work perfectly. Mission is accomplished.